In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Wise to PayPal. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to copy your card number, security code, and the expiry date of your card on Wise. This can be your digital card or your physical card from Wise. Now, go ahead and head over to PayPal and head over to the wallet section of PayPal. And here, go ahead and click on link a card. Since the digital or physical card of Wise serves as a card which you can use to link to different platforms to use as a payment method. So in here, you just need to enter the card number that you have from Wise in this section. After that, you'll need to enter the expiration date of the card that you've got from Wise along with the security code. Now, once you have all of this fixed, you can just go ahead and click on the link card button to link your Wise card to PayPal and simply link your Wise to PayPal. And that's how you can simply link your Wise to PayPal. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.